WECO HydroSense Light Commercial Reverse Osmosis. WECO HydroSense Light Commercial Reverse Osmosis Review. Best whole house reverse osmosis system for well water. Suppose you need a filtration system built into a freestanding white powder coated frame. Then the WECO HydroSense Light Commercial RO for well water is perfect. It uses carbon block pre-filtration to remove tiny particles of rust and silt to keep plumbing clog-free. Compressed carbon blocks remove the offensive egg-like sulfur odors. WECO 1812 volume thin film composite membrane removes up to 98.5% of harmful contaminants and metals. Perfect for large residential homes and commercial offices, WECO uses automated water pressure sensors and booster pumps, which increase and push well water through a specifically formulated membrane to remain functioning and filtering at maximum capacity. WECO is an extensive RO well water filtration system, and the manufacturer recommends professional installation to ensure the unit runs efficiently and is installed to local codes. Expect a 20,000-gallon filter life and the best whole house reverse osmosis system for well water. The WECO HydroSense Commercial RO for well water measures 34 by 15 by 12 inches and weighs 80 pounds. Warranty: exchanges for defective product only. Pros: UV ray disinfection system, filter water at multiple faucets, outstanding customer support. Cons: significant investment purchase, not for whole house filtration, unexpected motor replacements reported.